I hope that wherever it is for you, it is a wonderful day, whether rain or shine. And thanks for coming back another day. I'm excited for today because hopefully we will put AI into our app, which would be crazy. We've never made an app with that. I know there's a million opportunities. So here we go. One thing I did want to say quick is I just started this new section. I was looking at some flights and I just did /new and that just clears out all that history and makes us a completely new chat. And I'm going to say, let's continue the calorie tracking app. So I wanted to explain what that meant. It's going to look and it knows from the instructions of it as the LLM is completely like a baby blank, has no understanding of me at all. But it's going to come into my OpenClaw instance software and it's going to read the instructions and it's going to see that I have a lot of memory files, as I like to call them. And it's going to see that yesterday we were working on the calorie tracking app and it should have automatically yesterday added details about what we had done and where we were at. So let's see what it comes back with. I do remember that the last thing that it said was it did not find the secret in the secret Amazon secrets manager because maybe my secret was in a different zone. So we'll go ahead and look at that. Remember always to sign in as a root user. And then let me go back here. So yeah, it's looking at it found my memory file specifically for the app. It's looking back at what we were doing. It's even looking at the secrets manager in AWS right now. So I'm not even going to sign in and find it. I'll pause it for a second. The secrets manager is where I put my API key for OpenAI so that OpenAI can, wow, the sunlight is hitting the tree so beautifully right now. So that OpenAI can be inside of the calorie tracking app I'm building. But this is part of what's so cool about OpenClaw is that it's going to remember everything we do and are working on with it. And it's even smart enough, with AI powering it to go into AWS and try to find an OpenAI key. It's still working, but if your Telegram does not look like this, go to my website, robertsopenclaw.com, sign up, and there's a marketplace item where you can load my settings. But basically, it's like the progress setting for Telegram. There's like 4 different settings. You can ask your bot about it. And I think I have the one set to progress, so it shows me what's going on, and it doesn't just go blank. I also have it to where it learned how big of it messages Telegram can take, and it only gives me messages that big. So it was sending me messages, but I didn't say anything because they were too big, and Telegram didn't like to show them to me. So that was one helpful thing as well. So 602, so this has been going for 4 minutes now, and it says stuff like Lambda, and it had like npm run deploy estimate meal agent. I'm wondering if it found the secret key and it's actually loading in AI right now. Literally all I did is say, let's continue, and it figured out what needed to happen next, so it's doing it. Which is a gift and a curse. Sometimes you're like, no, I didn't want you to keep going. So I'm fine with it though. You can always tell it, like, don't build yet, just tell me what your plan is. All right, so I did find out what is wrong. I put my secret key in the wrong in my wrong AWS account. So now I'll say I just made the and do the step to where the with it's real and edits the all right, so that took 1 minute. and it told me that it already wired it so that it should be working. It even tested it itself. So I'm going to say, can you give me a public URL for it? And then I will try to remember to shut this down so that no YouTube watchers can access it right now. At least, I guess it's not the end of the world. You could just use up my $10 and try it yourself. I don't see what it gave me. Yeah, we actually say, rise to tomatoes. Be like really not helpful. Okay, it's taking a second. That's tomato. Okay, these are working itself up. So then to 5 tomatoes. Into the spoon checking out. Let's see if my bot can see it's getting shot. How do maybe I should do this video here. Yeah, I think I can see that image. So let's see. Let's see another one. Ice or Rachel side from Robo. I don't think placeholder estimate for Rachel. Rough through estimate. I don't think Rachel definitely has up to 140. I'm gonna start to do very carrier after they're gonna go to the pay off for 300. Rice, yeah. Oh, did I say eggs? Oh, eggs and tomatoes. It doesn't have eggs here. Maybe it has it inside the tomatoes. 445. So that's actually semi-accurate, but it just announced out everything. I was looking at it now and confident. Right, just reading what it's doing, it looks like it's looking at some index-based HTML and some local fallback, whatever that means. See what it comes up with. Well, like that, only do like mixed dialogue. Cheeseburger. Remember, here, 137. It's low, so I just can't really tell for sure if the AI is working. Obviously, this text is not necessary anymore. If it is, it's getting accurate-ish. Let's just say like it's in 3 strawberries. Oh, yeah, I put $320. That's terribly inaccurate. So we'll see what's going on. We'll go ahead and say like I put otherwise looks great just to be nice to my bot. Like I want to be a kind person and like well enough with it to do that. Yeah. I recently heard like uh, let's say AI person, like what's that AI guy? He was saying like AI is like a ghost. Like it doesn't have like good like yelling at it or like telling it good things doesn't change anything. And I think I really get that. Like, it feels like a ghost. Like, this is really not helping anything because it's just like a ghost that doesn't really matter or care. I don't know. It's almost easy. I really like that comparison because it's kind of easy to intuit. Like, a ghost kind of like comes out of a closet, takes an order, and like goes back into the closet. It's not like what's it is looking for like harsh words. It's not fully there. It's soulless. Well, I get that. So, anyways, I if it helps you to think about your AI as a ghost and not necessarily have to be so nice or mean or whatever, just kind of say what you're thinking and go for it. All right, let's see what it said. So, how do you know? The estimate panel now shows AI parts badge from the OpenAI succeeds. If it fails, it'll show you what the error was. The backend was working, but the browser was rejecting the response. Okay, so it found some issue. Hopefully, it fixed it. We'll see. Now we know we can test it with 3 strawberries. I'm also in like a dead zone right now for my data. Oh, galleries. Hey, let's see. Last year. Oh, I think AI is actually in here. This is so exciting. I changed it to cooked white rice, a large egg, and fresh tomatoes, and that is all accurate. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so I have AI in my house. Oh my god. Guys, this is amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I hope I saved this. I wonder if like, oh no, I got a little today thing. I can't click it, but that's cool. Ah, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And all of you guys are here with me. I've never made an app with AI inside of it. So like this is real. I can keep track of my calories now. If I put this on my phone, I can just talk to it. AI is smart enough you really don't have to autocorrect the Siri text to chat. Oh. All right, real quick. If you guys go to my website and robertsopenclaw.com, the first page is going to be this quick start checklist. But if you do the $20 credit when you sign in, the second page, this is where you can set up what I just did, where I have it connected to AWS. Okay. You might have to buy it eventually, but right now you can just preview the file. And this is how you get your EC2 bot to connect to all of AWS so that you can make any app or website or any digital product whatsoever. This is how all that Lambda and everything and secrets manager, how my bot can see all of that. I had to connect it and give it some permissions on those. And so this goes through it step by step. Here on it, and then it helps you get a deny policy for security. And then it has literally copy and paste. So if you liked what you saw here today, follow this checklist and you can connect your bot to AWS, Amazon Web Services, and make anything you want. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting, guys. I can't believe it. Like, I'm seriously so excited. This is crazy. I have an app. I mean, this could work right now. And like, I just need to, I don't know, button up a few things, and I could literally put this on the App Store as an AI calorie tracking app. I'll probably use it myself, obviously, for a little bit. And then we'll just see where it goes from there. But awesome. I'm so excited. Thanks for being along with me on the journey. And if you found this helpful and want to donate some Metro money so I can get here each morning and not have to drive, I'd appreciate that too. But I don't know, it doesn't matter too much. I'm just excited to share with you guys. We'll talk to you later.